Kali Muriaticum from Allen's Keynotes. Characteristically, it has whiteness of secretions, exudations, and even eruptions. White or grey coating at base of tongue. Discharge or expectoration of a thick, white, fibrinous slime or phlegm. Expectoration of thick, tough, white mucus. Cataract, tonsils excessively swollen, stringy tough mucus, swallowing excessively painful, even water or the softest bread must turn his neck to get it down. Mumps, swelling of the parotid glands, hawks up offensive, cheesy, small lumps. Sluggish or complete torpidity of liver, pain in right side, light colored stool due to want of bile or sluggish action of liver. Dysentery, purging with slimy stool, bubo, soft swelling, soft chancre. Gleat combined with eczema, visible or latent. Puffiness of ankle joints. Epilepsy, especially if occurring with or after suppression of eczema or other eruptions. Scrofulous enlargement of glands. Eczema or other eruptions on skin with vesicles containing thick white contents. Eczema or other skin disease arising after vaccination with bad vaccine lymph. Dry flour-like scales on skin. Ingrowing toenails, warts on hands, rheumatic fever with swelling around joints. Potency 6x, 12x, 30, 200. Kali Muriaticum from Homeopathic Materia Medica, chloride of potassium. Although not proven, this remedy has a wide clinical use through its introduction by Schussler. It certainly is of great value in catarrhal affections in subacute inflammatory states, fibrinous exudations, and glandular swellings. White or grey coating of base of tongue and expectoration of thick white phlegm seems to be spatial guiding symptoms. Bursitis priapetillaris. Head. Imagines him must starve, headache with vomiting, crusta lactea, dandruff. Eyes, white mucus, purulent scabs, superficial ulcer, trachoma, corneal opacities. Ears, chronic catarrhal conditions of the middle ear, glands about the ear swollen, snapping and noises in the ear, threatened mastoid, great effusion about the auricle. Nose, catarrh, phlegm white thick, vault of pharynx covered with adherent crust, stuffy cold, nosebleed. Face, cheek swollen and painful, mouth, aphty, thrush, white ulcers in mouth, swollen glands about jaw and neck, coating of tongue, greyish white, dryish or slimy. Throat, follicular tonsillitis, tonsils inflamed, enlarged so much can hardly breathe, greyish patches or spots in the throat and tonsils. Adherent crust in vault of pharynx, hospital sore throat, Eustachian catarrh. Stomach, fatty or rich food causes indigestion, vomiting of white, opaque mucus, water gathers in the mouth. Pain in the stomach with constipation, bulimia, hunger disappears by drinking water. Abdomen, abdominal tenderness and swelling, flatulence, threadworms causing itching at the anus. Stool, constipation, light colored stools, diarrhea after fatty food, clay colored, white or slimy stools, dysentery, purging with slimy stools. Hemorrhoids, bleeding, blood dark and thick, fibrinous, clotted. Female, menstruation too late or suppressed, checked or too early, excessive discharge, dark clotted or tough, black blood like tar, leukorrhea, discharge of milky white mucus, thick, non-irritating, bland. Morning sickness with vomiting of white phlegm, bunches in breast feel quite soft and are tender. Respiratory organs, loss of voice, hoarseness, asthma with gastric derangements, mucus white and hard to cough up, loud noisy stomach cough, Cough short, acute and spasmodic, like whooping cough. Expectoration thick and white. Rattling sounds of air passing through thick tenacious mucus in the bronchi, difficult to cough up. Back and extremities, rheumatic fever, exudation and swelling around the joints. Rheumatic pains felt only during motion or increased by it. Nightly rheumatic pains worse from warmth of bed, lightning like from small of back to feet. Must get out of bed and sit up. Hands get stiff while writing. Skin, acne, erythema and eczema with vesicles containing thick white contents, dry flour-like scales on the skin, bursitis. Modalities: worse, reach food, fats, motion. Relationship: compare belladonna, which Calimur follows well in catarrh and hypertrophic conditions. Belladonna, which Calimur follows well in catarrhal and hypertrophic conditions. Keynote: Bryonia, mercury, pulsatilla, sulfur. Dose: 3rd to 12th potency. External use in skin affections with burning sensation.